Moving from the DXY to euro dollar, however, let's have a look at this. So I think there's a short-term sell on the cards that we can look at here. So we broke this low, pushed to the upside, rejected off of that mini double top, and now we're coming back down. This was what I was talking about in the sense that when you get these channels that you can see in a lower time frame, this is a really important part. When you get these channels where they're climbing, and technically it's almost like an impulsive run, but not massively impulsive, but you get my point. But within it, there's so many consolidations. So it's a push up, correction, push up, correction, push up, correction, push up, correction. And then it just creates more of that steeper channel. These ones tend to sell off. So what we can see now is that we have sold off just a little bit, and now we're forming that larger flag. So from this perspective, there was actually an entry there. I'll be curious to see if any of you guys got that, but I'm just removing this ray line now just down to the low to keep things simple, as that would be a clear run, clear target. There's nothing really in the way stopping this going from here to here. So from a target perspective, that's really clear. The only thing we have to factor in is that if this is some sort of larger flag, well then we're probably going to get price move up like this, and it will become much more messier and complex. But again, we'll take a message from the market. Very easy to trade these type of situations, because what we need to wait for next is very, very easy and simple. So let me show you. So on the 1 hour chart, for those of you that did get in risk entry, there was an entry up here, 1, 2, 3, 15 you could have got involved with as well. So roughly around this type of area, you would have got your entry, probably about 15, 16 pip stop, and then be running here for a couple of percent. So nice and simple entry, structured approach. If you got it, perfect. If not, there's still more to come. So I don't really want to be taking any flags that is close to this area here. Right, we don't want to be taking any flags here. Why? Because this is where it's likely to get messy and evolve into something much more complex.